Wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, look at the head. You see that? That is the head. And you see the full body of it. It's not just any kind of who. I'm scared. I feel like I'm going to tear the sack. Fill it fat and oil all through. Not too much. Just purely oil. Yeah. See it? Purely oil. And these are the boys, the guards, the servant. But I got them now. No, I got the boss. I got the king. And all the subjects, no, they are all my slaves. No, I don't need them. They got no use. So, just tell me what you call this in your village and what it is used for and what it represents. Alright? I want to hear you say something in the comment section. Okay, let's go.